Okay, one more time, ladies and gentlemen, requesting all you people to kindly be seated as we're about to start. Thank you. Quickly, unofficially, tell us what is Mar Muntha Chod Chinta.
Say cheers and chod chinta.
बस खत्म. लगाने का ऐसा वो टोड़ी लगा रहता है, उसका घड़ा उतारने का, मारने का, चिंता छोड़ने का. Ladies and gentlemen, and of course उस्ताद राम पोथिनेनी. सब पहली बार हो रहा है. हीरो और एंटी हीरो आमने सामने आने वाले हैं और एक गाने को जिसको हम देखने वाले हैं. बाबा, right before the song, what do you have to say?
I just want to say that it's a beautiful journey for me to be working with Ram and with Puri sir and Sharmi and Vishu and everybody. बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन मैं इसकी तरह डांस नहीं कर सकता यार. I wish मैं कर सकता था. But really, I really enjoyed every minute. And thank you everybody. Thank you for having me.
उस्ताद, आपकी बारी.
Before the song. So this is the first song that we shot, and I think one of the first schedules that I shot with Baba. And Baba, you don't need to dance. When you just walk, there's a lot of kick that comes out of it. So I had a lot of fun working with him, but I'll continue that on stage. But this is a super fun song. It's called Big Bull, obviously. So yeah, I had a lot of fun, and yeah, enjoy the song.
Lovely. With your kind permission, shall we? Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the big screen as we play the song Big Bull for the first time. For welcome. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
मुझे बताएं sir, with this kind of response और यहाँ जो इतनी तालियां सीटियां बज रही हैं, when you saw that thing, the trailer और अपनी entry, what do you have to say sir?
पहला मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, संजू बाबा, एक 22 years back हैदराबाद आए थे, मुन्ना भाई MBBS वो टाइम पे, और तेलुगु सेम फिल्म डबिंग हुआ था. आप हमारे लोकेशन पे आए थे. जब देखा, फिर इतने सालों के बाद अब देख रहा हूँ मैं आपको, ये हमारे फिल्म में. और आपको देखते ही मेरी माँ की याद आ गई. क्यों बोले तो मेरी माँ 100 times फिल्म देखा, मदर इंडिया.
Wow.
कभी भी टीवी में अगर आ गया तो वो चैनल चेंज नहीं करती. अगर कोई भी चैनल चेंज किया तो उसको बहुत बड़ा गाली मिलेगा, बहुत बड़ा. अरे भाड़ खाओ क्यों रे उसको ऐसे क्यों चेंज कर रहे. तो आई बिलोंग्स टू आंध्र प्रदेश. आई स्टार्टेड माई करियर 1978. आई एक्टेड 1250 movies. तेलुगु, तमिल, हिंदी, मलयालम, कन्नड़ा एंड रिसेंटली नेपाली. मेरा भाई पूरी जगन्नाथ, हम लोग साथ में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से जर्नी कर रहे हैं हम लोग. हर फिल्म में एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर मेरे को चांस मिलता. तो ये फिल्म में इसको अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से लेके आया. सो अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से क्यों लेके आया अभी नहीं बोलता हूँ, 15 तारीख को बोलता हूँ. ए लबाडे कौनते तारो. और इसका एक साउंड है, वो अमेजन से आया.
जोरदार तालियां अलीसा के लिए. Ladies and gentlemen, out and out entertainer हमारे साथ. Thank you so much sir.
Thank you.
Please रहिए हमारे साथ मंच पर. Of course now I'd like to invite on stage Puri Connect से the CEO Saab. Of course, Puri Connects is known for wholesome entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. Vish Reddy Saab is here with us. The very handsome Vish, sir. मतलब खिल कर रहे हो आप तो लुक से. You know, I saw a couple of people clicking selfies with him और छुप छुप के इनकी तस्वीरें ले रहे थे. Sir, talking about wholesome entertainment, as I said, Puri Connects. With this movie, क्या लग रहा है सर, कहाँ तक जाने वाला है और क्या होने वाला है आगे?
Hello Mumbai and hello India. Thank you all of you for coming here to bless us and support us. I'll only say one line. I've seen the film like few days ago. I had this good feeling like जो मार मुंता चोर चिंता है ना, like having that मार मुंता and having good biryani, उसके बाद double का मीठा. That's the feeling I had after watching this film. So I thank each and every person from my team, production, say direction department, each and every member from cast and crew. Thank you so much. And Baba has supported us a lot. Ram Bhaiya supported us a lot. Everything like August 15th is just 7 more days. I will talk on August 15th.
I'm sure,
Thank you everybody.
Of course, as I said, lyrical videos देख के इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है, जब फिल्म में देखेंगे तो क्या ही होने वाला है. सीटें फटने वाली हैं, सीटियां बजने वाली हैं. Well, now I'd like to invite on stage the very charming, of course, उनको ये बोला जाता है. But let me tell you, she is this super hard-working person. She's super passionate about Indian cinema. Give it up for Charmi Kaur ji. You know, सुबह से she's been after each and every detail. She's looking into each and every detail, and this is how she is. जोरदार तालियां. Charmi, congratulations on this.
Thank
You know,
you.
as we said, हम बात कर रहे थे गाने के रिस्पॉन्स की कि क्या होने वाला है. सीटियां तालियां बज गई. What do you have to say? First things first.
थैंक यू. हेलो मुंबई, हेलो एवरीवन. बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि आज जो हमने इतने प्यार से एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है जिसका नाम है डबल स्मार्ट. 2019 में वी वर ब्लेस्ड विद अ ह्यूज ब्लॉकबस्टर इन तेलुगु, और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं. अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है. सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स. अनिल थडानी जी एंड दुग्गल जी, दे विल हेल्प अस do justice, and I hope we have good run in North India also. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Just one quick question. You know, Puri sir, of course, he's a creative genius, but producer bhi to hai. So how many times do you have to like remind him of his producer wala duties ki please thoda thambo?
Honestly, Mr. Puri Jagannath, he deals with the alphabets and I deal with numbers. So we do not enter each other's zone at all. Even though he is well aware of everything, he is fantastic. He's a producer's director. But we have our own departments, and he's just amazing in what he does. I'm so thankful that he gives us that space.
Lovely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite on stage the leading lady of this film, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Tamil ho, Telugu ho, या फिर Hindi हो, इन्होंने वो सारी projects में काम किया है, and she's killed it every single time. Kavya Thapar, ladies and gentlemen. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उनके लिए. Welcome, Kavya.
Thank you.
So good to see you, and you're looking as ravishing as ever, I would say.
Thank you. Shout out to my team for that.
Being here, standing over here, right in front of this team, when Baba is here, Ustad is here, you know, working with them on this project that's really close to Puri sir's heart, and of course, Charmi ma'am's heart. What do you have to say? Puri journey ke baare mein.
First of all, hello Mumbai. This is the first ever Telugu film that I'm promoting in my hometown. So I'm feeling very, very blessed at this moment. Secondly, I think I am currently... मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वक्त तो मैं एक सपने में हूँ, जो सपना मैंने बचपन से मैं देखते आई हूँ. तो पहली बात तो एज एंड व्हेन आई ग्रू अप मैंने संजय सर की इतनी सारी फिल्म्स देखी, तो टू से द लीस्ट व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट हिम आई वाज ब्लैंक, और उनका सिर्फ एक गाना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया. तो जब मैंने उनको देखा मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, मैं और कुछ आया ही नहीं. आई वाज सो dumbfounded at that moment. तो डेफिनेटली मैं उनके साथ मैंने स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया. आई एम ट्रेम्बलिंग वाइल सेइंग दिस बिकॉज इट्स सच अ huge dream for me that I am living currently. And thank you Sanjay sir, you were a blessing and हमने पंजाबी में बात की and he made me very comfortable. So thank you and it is definitely a blessing कि मैंने आपके साथ screen space share किया. Secondly, Ram, you are by far, I'm saying this out and loud, by far the best co-star I've worked with.
Wow.
And I have found a great friend in you. And thank you for everything. No, वही बोला.
क्या लफड़ा भाई.
हे राम ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली को स्टार के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट जो होती है बट वो इतना केयरिंग को स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मंथा मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी एंड एवरीबडी इज़ लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे बिकॉज इट वाज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. सो मैंने सिर्फ बोला स्पिनच सूप एंड दैट डे इटसेल्फ और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने अपनी मम्मा से होम मेड स्पिनच सूप बनवाया मेरे लिए and I'll forever be grateful for that. I think such little things show the kind of a person he is and he's hilarious also as a person. So thank you for being you. All the best and hope we work a lot in the future. Now I'm going to get a little emotional because I'm going to speak of Charmi ma'am. She is truly a boss lady and an inspirational woman and I have hats off to you. आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहे. She should be the charan sparsh charmi. That's what she is because I really look up to her. She is a go-getter and she will do anything for her work and that's an inspiration for me. And not only that, she's an extremely nurturing, caring, loving person. And I know again, same day when I was sick, how she took care of me, I can never forget. Usually I always say that I'm a director's actor, but I am a producer's actor too now. I want to be at least.
Thank you.
So thank you for always doing everything for me. I love you. Puri sir! This is the biggest feather on my hat in my career journey to be a Puri Jagannath heroine standing here today. Thank you sir for seeing Jannat in me and giving me an opportunity to be double smart. Just a small story, I had auditioned for Smart Shankar, but at that time things didn't work out because double Smart had to happen to me and thank you. Thank you for giving me this double power pack, mass, masala, entertaining film. Thank you sir. Love you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं एक बार. As you said, double dhamaka,
Mass,
masala,
mental, masala, double action, double comedy,
Mass
double
mental
romance.
madness.
mass mental madness, and
That is the
and
hero's character in the film.
right.
Mass mental madness.
Mass mental madness, and the person behind it who's envisioned all this and usko bade parde pe utara hai, the creative genius, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Puri Jagannath sir, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome sir. Thank you so much. और हम सब के लिए ये लेकर आए हैं. You know, first things first, what was that one thing जो सबसे आसान थी या difficult था संजू बाबा को convince करना to be a part of this film? Sorry?
Difficult thing.
Was it like easy
The
or?
difficult thing is getting his dates.
Okay.
And
he had
working with
7
him is
films
very
as lined
cool.
up.
That's
Had
why I
some
call her the
7
go-getter
films
also.
lined up.
Oh, that's an announcement.
That
That's
time,
like
yeah.
breaking news right now.
When we thought of him, he signed 7 movies. He said no dates and all, so we were worried and finally got his dates. And I'm a big fan of Sanju Baba and 4 decades experience, a versatile actor. He played all kind of roles.
Yes.
Thank you for doing this film, sir. Love you, sir.
Thank you so much.
We are
Please.
happy we are launching him. It is his debutant film in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that. Ladies and gentlemen,
We have a superstar debuting.
of course,
Yes.
of course, OG superstar of the Indian film industry, Sanju Baba. Before I invite him on stage, ladies and gentlemen, we have to give it up for this superstar. a superb young actor जिन्होंने इससे पहले जितनी बार भी फिल्मों में काम किया है कमाल किया है उस्ताद बोला जाता है उन्हें ladies and gentlemen give it up for उस्ताद राम पोथिनेनी ladies and gentlemen जोरदार तालियां we can do better we can make some more noise lovely
They'll probably cheer if I come on YouTube.
yeah we loved you over there of course
Thank you.
first pan Indian film officially
Yeah,
can we
yeah,
say that
yeah,
हाँ?
yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है talk to us about it everything
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And yeah, like I said, it all started off from YouTube, where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film because they used to wait for a year or so. And now finally, this entire pan-India thing came about, and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep, you know, screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we're able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And yeah, like I say, this character is all about mental mass madness. So one small disclaimer, I do not endorse him. So he's, in case you want to follow him, if you get inspired and follow him, I'm pretty sure that within half an hour you'll be in jail. So please don't. He's just to be enjoyed and entertained. Watch him on screen and leave him there. So he's really mental. And I love the way Puri sir has written this character for me. And it's always an experience for an actor, you know, something that you can't even think of doing in reality. You're playing it on screen. And yeah, I enjoyed playing it a lot. And down south, the people also have enjoyed the first part so much, and they've made it a huge hit. And now we're coming with double the smart, with double the energy and double the everything.
Yes.
And yeah, we're pretty excited. And the highlight is, I think, Baba. You know, Puri sir, when he first narrated the script, we couldn't think of anyone else but you. But again, you were like, Charmi told me that you signed 7 films. But again, her being her, she flew to Dubai, and I don't know how she managed to get your dates, but I just watched the film recently, and I can't imagine anyone else but you. And I wouldn't call this a debut, but because you're already a superstar everywhere.
A superstar in Telugu.
And
First film.
it's an honor working with you, and it's an even bigger honor getting to know you. Because I keep saying, me and Puri sir keep discussing, you know, when you're performing or just sitting there, we're like, you know, what didn't this man experience in life? You know, you're like a silent saint, but you're a sweetheart. Thank you for pampering us. And it's an honor working with you. And yeah, about Ishmat Shankar and Puri sir. You know, we see heroes with attitude. I think he's the one who's introduced attitude, you know, the word attitude to heroes all over India. I think it started down south there. And, you know, the cool attitude, like earlier before him, I think when heroes had to show attitude, they had to stand like that. But now after Puri sir came, you know, this entire coolness came about, and he's a complete trendsetter. Yeah, complete swag. And sir, it's always an honor working with you. And yeah, thank you for writing this character and this madness. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Rambhai. You know, I would want you to do the honors because, of course, it's a big thing to do. Kindly welcome to do it.
Sanju Baba!
Our big bull.
Ladies and gentlemen, the OG
Our big
superstar
bull.
of the Indian
Big
film
bull.
industry.
Big bull.
बाबा के लिए तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार जोरदार हल्ला बनता है बाबा एवरी टाइम वी सी यू वो एक अलग ही बात हो जाती है यहाँ पे इस अवतार में आप आए हैं टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट बिग बुल
नमस्ते कैसे सब लोग मस्त है ना ठीक है तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शार्मी और सब बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चर है और डेट नहीं मिली पूरी सर हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके एंड like how Ram said that, you know, he kind of changed cinema and Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double I Smart Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you, sir. Charmi,
सर जी
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है.
सर जी सॉरी सॉरी
I said in Punjabi के परेशान बहुत किया है यार. लेकिन I think that's the reason that this product could come about is your persistence, your focus.
थैंक यू जी
Thank you for letting me be around.
सर जी थैंक यू जी
और ये पंजाबी कुड़ी है कि she's done a great job and she's looking so good. और इसको एक चीज़ है, इसको कुछ मार वार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको यार.
सर मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता.
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या, आप बोले हाँ कुछ है, यहाँ पे लग गया. ख्याल रखो अपना यार, काम करो. विशु, थैंक्स, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर. एंड इसको मैं एक पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ. So inspiration for you to lose some weight, you know. And of
प्रोडक्शन के इश्यूज
course,
की वजह से बेचारा मोटा हो
and
गया
of course Ram, you know. इतना मजा है इसके साथ काम करके. अभी तो चूजा लग रहा है, लेकिन उस टाइम वो डबल स्मार्ट में मस्त लग रहा था. लेकिन अभी एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, यंग लग रहा है, छोकरा लग रहा है छोटा सा. And it was a pleasure, it was an honor working with him, like a younger brother to me. And he's a good performer, he's a very hard worker. And we had a lot of fun while doing this film in Bangkok और यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह. और हम लोग ने मस्ती भी थोड़ी बहुत की. I hope आप सब लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी and आपको मतलब you'll enjoy the film. I want to thank everybody again and Bhabhi is there and Bhabhi, thank you so much.
Sangeeta.
Thank you Bhabhi. And बस अपन के पास और कुछ भी नहीं है बोलने के लिए यार. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Baba. Zordar taaliyan Baba ke liye. Of course, before we get into the media Q&A, I'd like to invite on stage two very important people. बात की संगीता अहीर जी हमारे साथ हैं यहाँ पे. Of course, she supported the movie. She's been a very important part of this film, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Welcome, ma'am. Also, would like to invite on stage AA Films se, of course, the superstar Anil Thadani Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. He's distributing the movie. Please, sir, आइए. Also, RKD Studios se Dugal Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. Digital partners Hindi में हमारे. Welcome, sir. It's time for a quick photo op. Yeah, we'll do with this team.
कम
Junior Dugal Saab, please, we want you on stage. Come. Thank you so much. Can we quickly have the chairs up on stage, please? Okay, so I'm going to do the honors on your behalf. Please be seated. Ali sir, बैठे हैं आप भी. Shami ma'am, Puri sir, please. Okay, Puri sir, the first question is for you from Amar from Mama Razi.
गोंडे लग गए आपका.
Sorry,
KGF
question.
सुपर हिट.
Mama Razi, right?
सुपर हिट.
यही होता है ना?
शंकर सुपर हिट.
Okay, Puri sir, the first question for you is, how much were you involved in the casting process of Double is Smart? And was the casting of Sanjay Dutt your call? Or whose call was it?
No, after writing the script, no, we all sit and discuss. Ram, me, and Charmi. in everybody's mind was one name, Sanju Baba.
All right, the next one again is for you from Jaya Bollywood Now. How do you manage the expectation of fans when creating a sequel to such a successful film like Ismart Shankar? And what can audiences look forward to in Double Smart?
Yeah, it's hard to crack a sequel, I always. But I promise, and better than the first part. This story is much better than the first part. And Ram's energy is double than that, double than the first part, I can promise. And 6 songs are there, amazing songs. And NSD Kavya is there. Ali sir comedy is there. Absolutely. And Sabke Upar Baba, Sanju Baba is there. What else you want? It's a full entertainer.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I'm sure जवाब मिल गया होगा जया जी को. The next one is for Ram bhai. Madhu BBC हिंदी से पूछना चाहती हैं कि this is your first pan Indian film. किस तरह की expectations हैं और क्योंकि after बाहुबली, you know, unlimited हो गया है सब कुछ. You know, box office की range जो है वो unlimited हो गई है. So what do you have to say on that?
Hello.
Check. Yeah. I generally don't comment on box office, but as an actor, what I like is it's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And yeah, and this film is even more special because everyone has already loved the first part. So I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to it, and yeah, pretty excited.
Okay, any one actor from the Hindi film industry apart from Sanju Baba जिनके साथ आपको काम करने का मन है?
काम करने का a lot of people.
Right.
But I really like Ranbir Kapoor also.
Right.
Yeah. He also played Sanju.
Right.
There's a connection there again.
Right. Cool. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
sharing
thank
that. Sanju Baba, this one's for you. Rahul from the Filmi Charcha wants to know, एक time था जब आप romantic फिल्में करते थे. अभी आपके सारे friends वो romantic भी कर रहे हैं, action भी कर रहे हैं. क्या fans आपको वापस romance करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में या यही जो एक अलग bold अवतार आ गया है?
अबे रोमांस अबे आप क्या बोलते हो लेकिन
आप कुछ भी करो हम आएंगे. सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे.
हाँ रोमांस भी कर लेंगे अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर आए लेकिन आई मीन अपना जो जनरेशन है यार वो मास के लिए काम करता था तो हम लोग मासी हीरो है. अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार. एक और कर लेंगे साजन.
चलो भाई ये भी एक और अनाउंसमेंट हो गया यहाँ पे. मिथुल फ्रॉम टेली चक्कर wants to know what attracts you so much to the South Indian films. This is your third project and it's again a negative lead. So what is it that
I don't know. I think मुझे भी एक it's a challenge for me also, you know, to be in a South film. And negative is a good space to be in. You know, बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है. अब रेप कट गया है लेकिन वो लेकिन it's good, you know. I mean, at least there's a little something to do for an actor, you know, after doing so many films.
Right. Thank you so much. Kavya, this one's for you. Rohit from Filmi Charcha wants to know, do you have any aspirations to work in a Bollywood film?
Yeah, I don't confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I'd definitely do it.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हो?
Many, but I guess for me also Ranbir Kapoor after Animal has been like a
Right.
top favorite.
Right. Charmi ma'am, this one's for you. Naveen from 24. मुझे लगा age लिखी हुई है Naveen 24. What according to you makes a pan-Indian film a hit, and what more films are lined up ahead for Puri Connects?
Hello everyone again. So it's not about pan-India or South or Bollywood or English or Russian. I think Puri sir always says that local is global and content is king. And people are appreciating. It's so good to see people are appreciating good cinema, fun cinema, entertainment, masala. At the same time, there's amazing content, different genres. So I think it's we should not have those kind of boundaries.
Right.
And just enjoy cinema. And हमारी picture तो एकदम गली cinema है, गली picture है, and city mar picture है. So I hope people enjoy this also on August 15th.
I'm sure. Second last question. Puri sir, this one's for you. Lipika ji wants to know, कि you think now Ram Bhai is the new item boy of the industry?
Definitely.
What is
Definitely.
item boy?
Sorry?
What is item boy?
Lipika ji, would you like to throw
Bye,
some light?
Shankar.
Ma'am, I remember meeting you. Yeah, how are you?
वो मुलाकात, no, sorry.
Yeah, please. Sir, मुझे अपन item boy अंडा.
Okay, one last question to everyone, and this is life में कब double smart बनने का try किया है? Namita wants to know. Have you sir tried ऐसा life में double smart बनने का कुछ किया हो?
हर इंसान को रहता है वो. हाँ,
When was the last time and what did you do?
बहुत किया. कितना बनूं? 45 years हो गया.
और बनी रहा हूँ तब से. For you, Chami ma'am.
What is that?
Double smart बनने का try किया कभी?
ये जो जब भी उनका चिप को प्रॉब्लम आता है होता है, मेरा दिन भर होता रहता है. तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैं इधर होती हूँ उधर भी होती हूँ.
And बड़े खूबसूरती से करती हो ये काम. Puri sir, for you, double smart. What is double smart? और आपने कभी try किया ऐसा बनने का?
नहीं, I never tried, but I right.
But as Rambhai said,
Yeah.
you brought that attitude in the
Correct,
industry.
correct.
आप तो खुद में हो sir. Sanju Baba, for you, double smart बनने का आखिरी बार कभी try किया था?
मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, लेकिन
You're asking him.
मैं बोल रहा था मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, 100 स्मार्ट शंकर है. बट आई लव इट. आई मीन डबल स्मार्ट
Right.
मस्त है.
Right. Ustad, for you.
Yeah, I just played, no?
No, in real life.
In real life also.
Huh? Kavya?
I think for me, I'm going to first try to be smart and then double smart.
बढ़िया है. ये
No,
best है.
I am too naive first. I can be a little too innocent in that sense. So first पहले smart बनेंगे और फिर double smart.
Chronology को समझिए.
She
order
just
पे
got
चलिए.
scammed the other day, so.
Yeah, I did
That
get
trauma.
scammed the other day. So.
Right. All right. 15th August is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters, ladies and gentlemen.